ফাইল করছে না, আজকে হিয়ারিং ডেট হয়েছে। গত 9 তারিখ তো আমরা ইমার্জেন্সি ফাইল করছিলাম ওই ইলেকশন কমিশন অর্ডার নিয়ে আসার পরে দ্যাট কাউন্টিং এজেন্ট ক্যান বি এনি ওয়ান আউটসাইড অফ দি TTADC ভোটার। তাহলে আমরা ওইটা নিয়ে সেরা উই হ্যাভ চ্যালেঞ্জ and on that particular day court has observed and we have challenged the entire procedures. Then finally the court has actually referred the date and that is today 23rd. তাহলে আজকে যেটা গভর্নমেন্ট অ্যাডভোকেট মানে টাইম চাইছিলাম আজকে 10 দিনের জন্য টাইম চাইছে। দে হ্যাভ সিক দ্য টাইম ফর 10 days. Then thereafter, Honorable Chief Justice have asked that election is over, the counting is over, and you have come to the power, and the swearing ceremony has over. So this case has become infractual. So what is the point of continuing this case? Then I particularly requested Honorable saying that the matter is not that we have won or that the counting is over, that the government has been formed. The very question is the basic structure or the basic feature of the Indian Constitution has been actually violated and has been altered by the election commissions of the state. The only reason is, can the election commission of the state can simply bring the casual order by simply notifying, saying that any one outside of the TTADC voter can be a counting agent. Now we knew that the very rules of the TTADC, elections and the conduct and business rule 1985, has been enacted and it is totally separate entity. Now the express intention of the legislature is to be questions. Why this act has been enacted is basically the separate provision has been made. Now, how can the State Election Commission alter this? Even the Parliament cannot, because the basic feature of the Indian Constitution remains as it is, and only through the proper procedures the amendment can be actually amended. But without the proper procedure, the law cannot be enacted. And even if you follow the proper procedures, the basic feature of the Indian Constitution still remain the same. Now, the very sixth schedule is the Indian Constitution. It is under the Indian Constitution and it is the Parliament that has enacted. But now today, state cannot, amend or state cannot interfere under this basic feature of the Indian Constitution. So then I have requested Honorable Chief Justice saying that although the election is over, although the counting is over, although the government is being formed, all the swearing has been already done, but tomorrow the municipality election will come, which is again separate entity, and the Panchayat election will come and the assembly election will come. If this casual order is to be followed as a procedure of the law, then mean we actually violate the entire basic feature of the Indian Constitution. Otherwise, tomorrow we can bring someone from Delhi, someone from Tamil Nadu, someone from Kerala to be the counting agents or to be the candidate or whatever. Then why there is a necessary for this act to be separately enacted? So looking at that, I have requested that in future it should not affect the the entire procedures, and it should not violate the basic structure of the Indian Constitution. So therefore, I have requested that this case or this kind of intention should not be actually carried out in future, so that the entire procedures, the entire structure of the Indian basic constitution will be altered and destroyed. So therefore, then the Honorable Chief Justice said the elections is still far away, the future is still far away. So as of now, keeping in the view that in future all these things should not take place, and keeping in view, I think we should not continue this case further. Therefore, আমরা এই কেসটা ক্লোজ করে দিব, এটা আমরা করছিলাম। বাট তবু আমি আবার রিকোয়েস্ট করছি দ্যাট although 5 years is pending, but যেটা প্রেজেন্টলি যেটা ইলেকশন আইব এটাও তো ডিস্টার্ব হব, তাহলে কোর্ট কইছে না এগুলি তো ডিস্টার্ব হবে না। সো উইল সি ফার্দার ইফ দিস কাইন্ড অফ ক্যাজুয়াল অর্ডার কামস, দেন উইল সি টু ইট। So with that kind of assurance, I also agree, because it is Honorable Chief Justice view and observations that if he wish that this case should not be continued and this case should be closed down, keeping into view and observation, then I said it is okay. But I have requested, as I have said, that the very purpose of the act that has been enacted is totally separate entity, and the sixth schedule is an Indian constitution, and it is a parliamentary law that has been enacted, and State Election Commission has no power to alter or to give a casual order. So these are the view, and keeping in that, could also say that they have actually followed the procedure of Rule 52, but that has been actually produced during the time of hearing on 9. But prior to that, they have actually revoked the first order, and they have, brought back to the new order as per the Rule 52 of the 1985 TTADC rules, Business Elections Conduct Rule. So keeping in that view, we have faith into the Honorable Court that has actually observed and that has given the patient hearing to our concerns. I think in future, government or the State Election Commissions will be alert before they bring any actions to any procedures. I think keeping that proof to the Honorable Court, we have agreed, and whatever the court has given the judgment, we are okay, and we understand, hope in future that there will be no this kind of such casual order or such casual intentions to actually disrupt the very basic feature of the Indian Constitution. So believing in that and having in good faith to the Honorable Court, we have agreed and to close down the case. That's all. Thank you very much.